my shoes. Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 11, or not 11, 12. I started the day out kind of late, but today is actually going to be like a pamper routine type video. I was gonna do a bath, but I'm going to do a shower. It's just easier for my hair, honestly. What am I do a bath? It depends. No, shower. It's so much water. I was gonna take a shower and then while my mask is sitting, sit in the bath, and then after 30 minutes, rinse my hair. It's just, I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. But right now, we are going to be wetting my hair. I wanna show you guys this shrinkage. Look at it, it's shrunk all the way into my scalp. So before I get into the shower, I'm actually gonna take my spray bottle I have. I'm just gonna spritz my hair and try to like stretch it out a bit before we go in there and wash. The reason why I wanna do this is so I don't go in there and just like rip at my hair. So I just think it's easier this way. It makes me be gentler with my hair since I'm outside of the shower and stuff, and I can see myself in the mirror and stuff. So we're gonna start with the hair, which is so exciting. Join me. Okay, this is it. This is stretched out. It's not like fully stretched out or anything. It's not detangled or anything. I really just wet it and like pulled at my hair a little bit just to stretch it out a bit and to make it looser. Now it's like you can actually get into my hair. Washing this will be easier for me. And this is how I do it. Especially with my hair all shrunken up like that. This is how I do it. Way you do it your type of way, sissy. But this is how I do it, and then I'm gonna jump into the shower, wash up my hair, and then I'm gonna come out and you guys are gonna watch me mask up. We're back to like some shrunken hair. I got this a while ago, maybe an hour ago from the fridge, so it's not cold. But it's like lukewarm, and look how well it blended up. Like everything was blended really well. I stored it in here and I just kept it in the fridge, and it looks like it's done pretty good. So what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to section my hair. I'm gonna put this over my scalp. Y'all don't understand. If you haven't seen my video of how I created this, it was one of my Vlogmases. I made this for you guys, and then now I've been busy, so I couldn't put it in my hair. I couldn't dedicate time to put in my hair, but now I'm gonna put it in my hair, and y'all, this mask is beautiful. Like I always am just so shocked of how good my hair feels. So if you guys wanna join me for the time lapse, I think I'm gonna put it for like a little bit, not too crazy. Y'all can keep watching. Also, when your hair is wet, that's when you gotta be the gentlest on it. So be gentle to your hair, y'all. And I still have my spray bottle of water for when my hair starts to dry out, because I want this on my hair when it's wet. So I'm gonna section it and just apply it.
Such a good position, he hasn't come up with a name for it, is what I'm thinking. Pretty cool. Yeah. No.
Pamper day gone wrong. Look. And my shoes. I need to figure out how to clean these, if I can throw them in the wash or what's up, but I'm so sad. Oh. Okay, we're loaded up in the hair area. I'm kind of pissed because I thought I made this mask thicker, but maybe because I let it sit for a couple days, it just got runnier. So I'm over here just like dealing with all this for 30 minutes. And I need to like clean up my shoes. I'm probably gonna scrub them with like soap and stuff. If you guys have any tips, let me know. But we're under here. I double bagged them too, and we still got some running issues. So, and I'm freezing. I put so much peppermint in it. It got in my eyes because it was running to my face, and I was like wiping it off. Got some peppermint in my eyes, kind of burned. And it's running down my body, and it's peppermint, so I'm cold because any type of breeze that touches me is making me cold. Yeah, so Yeah, anyway, see, look, it just keeps coming and I hate that. So I was going to chill in my room for the next 30 minutes, but the way it's going, just because my room is warm, but the way it's going, I'm gonna have to just chill in my bathroom because I'm not about to take this mess in my room. So I'm just gonna kind of like cover myself with the towel and just chill here for a bit until I can wash it out. But in the end, it'll all be worth it. My fault for starting late, but I thought this was gonna be more of a pamper day. I'm gonna put my hair in Bantu knots and like, you know, moisturize it and all that. But I wanted to like do my nails and I just cut my nail really short and it looks really ugly. Okay, see? Anyway, I wanted to do my nails and I wanted to do my toes. But what time is it already? It's 11:15. But we'll see. We'll see. I feel like I can always make it happen. I got all my little creams and stuff here. Yeah, we're gonna do the LCO or LOC method. This is how I'm packing my stuff to my room, all my creams and lotions, because I don't have 7 hands. All right, our first attempt at Bantu knots, and I'd say I didn't do too bad. I'm hoping tomorrow that I got some cute curls or something, I don't know, but now I was hungry, but also like craving something sweet. We don't have anything sweet, so this is what I opted for. I have some wine, Moscato, and I have 2 eggs. I love boiled eggs, especially with like salt. This was my hair loss, by the way, to anyone who actually cares. It's like nothing. My shedding, it really is like not a lot at all. I really am gentle with my hair nowadays. I used to be whoosh, whoosh, like literally just break my poor hair. My hair took way longer than I expected. It is 3 a.m. I haven't edited this and this wine is giving me a little bit of a buzz. Look how small of amount I drank and I'm like over it. I'm not a drinker. Like I don't casually drink like that. I'm gonna take a couple more sips, probably just put it in the fridge and save it for tomorrow. I wish I had juice to dilute it a little bit, and this is literally Moscato. I just wanted something sweet. That's really all we had. But I think that's it for this video. I need to edit this and get this up for you guys before I fall asleep because I'm getting tired. So thank you guys so much for watching this video again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Happy Vlogmas Day 12. Tomorrow is, I think tomorrow we're gonna go skating and such, and join us on some festivities. I think tomorrow also we're gonna go look at some lights and go for like a little walk downtown because there's cute little lights over there. You guys will of course come along for the journey and be there for the journey, and I'm excited for that. But yeah, today was a good and productive day. I'm proud of myself. I got my hair done. I got my hair done. Also, if you're wondering, I rinsed off my slippers so they look kind of like this right now. I'm waiting for them to dry. I rinsed them off. Literally when I rinsed them in the sink, you could just see all of the hair mask coming out, so that made me happy. So they're definitely cleaned. They're just a little damp, so I hope tomorrow they dry normal. I haven't played Among Us all day today. I'm so upset. I'm so sad for myself because it's Among Us. But I don't think I might not get a chance to play because I have to edit this video for y'all. So guys, I'm ending my obsession for y'all today. But I want to get my eyebrows done tomorrow, but I think we might be officially shut down. Anyway, we'll talk about that tomorrow. Oh, also, before I let you guys go, I should show you all the products I used for my hair. Okay, so I used water with my spray bottle. I used this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. My sister's hairstylist actually recommended and said it was really good. So I've been using this and I've actually been liking it. I think it holds enough stuff into my hair. I used some of this on my scalp. This was like from the hot oil treatment thing I made. I made myself a hot oil treatment. I did a video on that. Yeah, and I used some of this on my scalp, okay? I used that cream, and then I used this coconut oil. I have this big container of coconut oil all over my hair. Whenever I sectioned it, I'd put it all over my hair after the cream just to kind of seal it. And then on my tips of my hair, I used African shea butter. I love this the most on my tips. It's heavy, it's thick, and I just think it works the best on like the tips of my hair, not my whole hair, because it's like super thick. And I just think it's too much. It's too like heavy for all my hair, but for my tips, it seals them, and I really like that. And then for my scalp, I use this Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. This is what I use for my scalp. And that was all the products I used for my hair today. My hair is all greased up already. Look at those Bantu knots, girl. Maybe I should show you guys with it like completely off. These are the Bantu knots. I did pretty good. I did way better. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I have like a little one here, but I did way better than I expected to do. And I did way more than I expected to do. I want to take them like big Bantu knots, but the way with these Bantu knots, when you make them bigger, they don't really stay. So I sucked up my damn pride. Not my pride, but I sucked up my laziness, because when it comes to my hair, I do like to do my hair, but when it comes to like styling it, I get a little lazy because it's time consuming. Y'all know. So I sucked up my laziness and I put them in like this. I think I'm gonna leave them like this for a while. I'm still figuring out what I want to do with my hair. I need to do a protective style. So tomorrow I do want to let out my hair because I haven't in so long, and just let out the fro, let it flourish. And then at the end of tomorrow, I'm just gonna probably just keep Bantu knots all the time for maybe a week, and then we'll think of a protective style that I need to do. But anyways, thank you guys for watching again. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.